Looking for the best mechanical keyboard in 2025? With so many options flooding the market, it's hard to know which one truly stands out. In this video, I'll break down the top 5 mechanical keyboards that offer the perfect balance of durability, performance, and style. Check the link in description. Please subscribe if you are new here and click the bell icon to get the fastest notification. Let's start. Number 1. Macanike K500B61. The Macanike K500B61 might be the perfect choice for a compact, feature-packed mechanical keyboard. This is a 60% mini mechanical keyboard with 61 keys, making it ideal for gamers and minimalists who want to save desk space or carry their setup on the go. Despite its size, it doesn't compromise on performance. It features hot-swappable Huano switches available in blue, red, or brown, so you can easily customize your typing feel without soldering. The full RGB backlighting is vibrant and dynamic, offering 16.8 million colors that bring your desk to life, especially in dark setups. The keyboard also includes double-shot PBT keycaps, known for their durability and clear legends even after long-term use. You also get 100% anti-ghosting with N-key rollover, which means every key press registers accurately, crucial for fast-paced gaming. The wired USB-C connection ensures low latency and easy plug-and-play compatibility with desktops and laptops. While there's no wrist rest, the slim, ergonomic design keeps it comfortable for extended use. Overall, the Macanike K500B61 offers a solid mechanical experience in a compact form, with impressive RGB, switch flexibility, and premium build materials, all at a great value. Whether you're gaming or typing, it's a smart pick for those who love smaller setups. Number 2. Red Dragon K617. The Red Dragon K617 Fizz, a compact 60% wired RGB gaming keyboard designed especially for gamers and productivity lovers. This little powerhouse features 61 keys and comes with hot swappable red mechanical switches. That means smooth, quiet key presses and the flexibility to swap out switches with most 3-pin or 5-pin models. Perfect if you're into modding. Now let's talk RGB. The K617 Fizz offers up to 20 preset backlighting modes with adjustable brightness and speed directly on the keyboard. You can also take customization to the next level using Red Dragon software, perfect for setting up macros, shortcuts, or custom lighting effects to match your vibe. Gamers, especially FPS players, will appreciate the smart layout that saves desk space and gives your mouse more room to move freely. No more bumping into your keyboard during intense matches. It's lightweight, travel-friendly, and stylish too, with colorful keycaps that stand out. In the box, you get the keyboard, a keycap and switch puller, a switch backup box, and a user manual. And yes, Red Dragon offers support if you get the wrong item or find a defect, though user-related damage isn't covered. For under-budget gamers or anyone wanting a compact mechanical keyboard with RGB flair, the Red Dragon K617 Fizz delivers solid value. Number 3. Macanike K500. This is a wired mechanical keyboard with a compact 94-key, 90% layout, giving you most of a full-size keyboard but saving valuable desk space. It's ideal for gamers or office users who want performance and portability. The K500 features hot swappable switches, so you can easily change out your mechanical switches without soldering, perfect for customizing your typing feel. It uses Huano switches, known for durability and consistent feedback. The keycaps are made of double-shot PBT plastic, meaning they're more resistant to wear and won't fade like typical ABS keycaps. One standout feature is the RGB backlighting with 20 dynamic lighting modes, adding vibrant style to your setup. Plus, the keyboard supports full anti-ghosting, so every key you press is accurately registered, a must-have for serious gamers. You'll also find 18 multimedia keys built in for convenient media and volume control. Just a heads up, if you're ordering from China, you'll get the standard US English layout, but if shipped from Russia, the keycaps include both English and Russian characters. The keyboard is plug-and-play via USB, works with both Windows and Mac OS, and is CE certified with no harmful chemicals used. Overall, the Macanike K500 seems like a well-rounded, high-performance mechanical keyboard for the price. Just remember to check the package condition on arrival and record your unboxing to protect your rights. Number 4. Ajaz AK680. The Ajaz AK680 is a 68-key mechanical keyboard that blends portability with performance. It's compact and lightweight, weighing just 460 grams, making it perfect for students, gamers, or anyone who works on the go. It supports 3 connection methods: wired USB, Bluetooth 5.0, and 2.4G wireless, so you can easily switch between your laptop, tablet, or phone. Even better, it comes with hot swappable switches, letting you change the key switches without soldering. Great for customizing your typing feel. The build uses durable ABS plastic for both the shell and keycaps, and while it doesn't come with RGB lighting, the wired version includes a subtle single-mode backlight. Just note, if you go for the wireless version, you'll need 2 AA batteries, which aren't included. Overall, the Ajaz AK680 is a solid pick if you want mechanical feel, flexible connectivity, and custom switch options in a budget-friendly portable package. Number 5. Kchibo Backlit Ultra. This ultra-compact keyboard packs a lot of features into a small, portable design, making it a great choice for gamers and anyone with limited desk space. First off, the keyboard features a 60% layout with 61 keys. That means it's much smaller than a full-size keyboard, focusing on the essential keys you need for gaming or typing. Its compact size makes it super portable and easy to carry around, perfect if you're gaming on the go or just want a clean, minimal setup. One of the standout features is the multicolor RGB backlighting, which adds a vibrant glow to your desk and creates a cool gaming atmosphere. Plus, the keyboard is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about accidental spills damaging it. It uses a membrane key design, offering soft and quiet key presses, which is great for both gaming and general use. The Kchibo keyboard connects via USB and is compatible with both Windows PCs and Macs, so it works well with most desktops and laptops. It's a plug-and-play device, so no extra software is needed. Just plug it in and start typing or gaming right away. Overall, if you're looking for a compact, waterproof, and colorful gaming keyboard that's easy to carry, the Kchibo 60% wired RGB keyboard is definitely worth. Finally, check out all links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments.